Lee. Flies
Thanks.
around a lot.
Yes.
In his determination, he solved the Rubik's Cube. This was supposed to be about Superman is,
Babe, stop. Ow!
sometimes Superman
I'm gonna fart.
forgets his brother
Oh!
is Shadow.
Stop! Stop!
As well as Superman can.
Stop!
Does that mean that
No.
you shouldn't be appreciated?
Oh my god.
Damn, we're done.
I got a confession I gotta
Stop,
make.
for God's sake!
He's gonna confess.
Oh,
Don't
did you
call it
shit
off.
yourself?
No.
That's a go signal from
Not like on your birthday.
Don't do it.
I wasn't feeling good.
It wasn't
okay?
me.
Actually, I was really nervous.
Since the beginning of time, the nerd has been oppressed by the jock. That ends today. And I want you to look deep into the face of the nerd and do it.
I want to stop. You fucking shit. Chris. Stop, please. Ow. Oh my God. Stop, please. No. Okay, stop. I'm peeing. Stop, seriously.
What? Did you pee?
I'm all fucking shit.
No, pee. Pee.
I'm gonna go pee, seriously. Ow. Come on.
Pee.
Oh,
Did you pee?
Yeah.
I made you pee your pants.
Yeah.
Fuck, that was funny.